So my Dana has big up on a nice clean self. So today I cook some curry chicken for my daughter for carry go to work. Tomorrow them have some for my Thanksgiving pre-Thanksgiving dinner. Yes, so these are the chicken and the rice, curry chicken and white rice. We beg her clean up the chicken, but she said she not take off all of the skin because they like the skin because they are Yankees. So she carrying it to work with them. But anyways, me clean up the chicken because I don't like cook it with the skin. So me clean it up the best we could, right? So these are the ingredients that me I gonna use. Yeah, me cut up the seasoning. So right here, me I gonna season up the chicken. And basically me actually I gonna cook it in a like 10-15 minutes. So this is the curry and the garlic. And this is 10 pound of chicken. This is Maggi all-purpose. I put 1 spoon. This is a tablespoon. This is some turmeric. 1 spoon. This is some jerk season when my auntie sent up from Jamaica come give me. So me I put 3 spoon because it's 10 pound of chicken. And you guys know me not really like use a lot of powder seasoning on my meat. This is some Walker's jerk season. It's chicken, don't take a lot. These are the cut up seasoning that I'm using, which is scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, and whatever else in there. I don't remember. This is some pimento seed. And I put my gloves on and rub it up. I add the jerk season because it's really not from my house. And you don't want to cook it where it kind of like fresh or it would want little seasoning. I'm cooking it for them at work. So you want to make sure it have flavor, that flavor to it. Anyways, I had the salt and I had a little bit of paprika and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Yes. And it's 10 pound of chicken. So you see, I don't use a lot of powder seasoning for my meat to taste very well. If you was on the live yesterday, you would have heard my husband says he love when I cook curry chicken. Okay, so now I put some oil in the pot, not a lot. And as I said, if that was my pot, I maybe wouldn't put any oil into it. But the oil also bring up some flavor to it. I'm not going to put any water in my pot for the first 10 minutes. I'm just gonna keep stir it here and there. And guys, I take break, okay? I take break, you just don't see because the video is very short. I don't want it to be too long. So once I mix that in, the fire is on high and the chicken are catching color. With the white rice, just some salt and a little salt and some butter. Going back into the pot. I keep stirring it. And as you can see, I put everything in the pot with the seasoning. I just want it to cook and marinate because chicken don't really take that long to cook. So for the first 10 minutes, I don't cover the pot. So this is my daughter was going to cook it, but because she just know to cook 1 pound of chicken and 1 pound of rice, I didn't want to just leave her to cook it and then it might not come out so well. So I just take it on for her. is cooking this for her coworkers, and they are all Americans. They Some of them video call her today. It was our day off, and they video call. I said, Mel, are you bringing the curry chicken tomorrow? And she cooked oxtail one time. Well, she asked me to cook the oxtail one time, and they were going nuts over the oxtail. So now I'm going to cover the pot, and it's going to spring its own water. I just put it on medium low. Yes, now I'm adding the Irish potato. Medium low, it's gonna spring its own water. And that's the finishing. It done. Yes. You see meat I leave bone? You see it kinda look dark. It's because of the lighting, guys, right here. It meat look a little dark. It's not that dark. It's the lighting. And I totally forget. Remember to like the video, guys. You're not liking my video. Why is it that you're not liking my video and you're watching? Anyways, please like the video. I would really appreciate it. But this is the end of the video. And thank you guys so much for watching. You see how my white rice pretty, guys? It pretty like a dollar piece. Yeah, that's it. This is going to work. Remember to hit the like button. Pretty, right? Who wants some? Put up your hand in the comment section. Bye.